Hello traders, my name is Roland and welcome to my YouTube channel. Here you can find the most effective and straightforward strategies for the binary options and onward. If you're new in trading, don't worry, you can try my strategies from the video, you can repeat after me, or you can use my Telegram group with the free signals with a 90% of accuracy, and you can find the links in the description of every videos. Also, if you don't have a time for trading, if you're working or you have some another deals, don't worry. I have a social trading for you. You can connect to my account very easy, and just repeat after me. Repeat every signals, every strategies. So, let's keep going.
Welcome back, guys. Hello, my name is Roland. Welcome, and let's continue. We are trading on binary options. I'm showing most straightforward and profitable trades for you, of course. So, okay, guys, make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel, Telegram channel. There's a lot of information, there's a lot of news and strategies for you. So let's get started, guys. Let's start. Let's choose those currency pairs. That's gonna be all right. Let's choose indicators. It's gonna be ADX and a fractal. ADX is gonna help us determining the market's mood. With opening our trades, we're gonna look at the fractal and zigzag and a little bit of a technical analysis, of course. Today we got $25 on our balance. We're gonna look at the fractal. We're gonna look at the fractal and zigzag, and we're gonna open for maximum amount and on a 1 minute time frame as usual, as I said. Okay, and find the highest payout rate, guys. Also, I want to change colors of ADX. We're gonna put green for the plus and red for the minus, of course, and keep it like this. It will be clearer, I guess, for me. Yep. Let's go, guys. Let's analyze the market. I think a good trade entry is gonna be close. What do we have? Let's select the workspace. Here we're gonna open a long position. So ADX is below 30, which is medium intensity trend, and we're see its rise. It's a good sign because we open long position. Also here we see the touching of the support level. The local low is updating. We can see that on zigzag and updating is happening, and after long lasting correction in this zone, I think the breakout is about to happen and our position should end up in profit. So we already see the breakout, and yeah, the price movement is nearby the trade entry. There's nothing to be afraid of because the volatility has dropped a little bit, and yeah, the breakout is gaining momentum, and our first position is in profit. Nice. Okay. So guys, let's continue. Let's carry on our trading session and find the next currency pair. So let's look for a good trade entry and analyze. Here we see here we see the touching of the support zone. So let's open the long position. Let me select the workspace. So the ADX moving averages is in the zone 60. This is a huge number. It tells us that the trend is about to reverse. Also, there is the touching of support zone. That's why we open long position. And let's select the workspace for our analysis. The ADX moving averages in the zone. ADX also went up because there is a strong correction from this level, and it's definitely a good signal for opening long position. So yeah, that's touching of support zone. Local low has been updated, as I disappointed. So we already see a good break out, exactly as I told you guys. Nice. There's several seconds. I'm very sorry. Several seconds left, and our position is on profits. Nice, great job. Let's change the trade amount and move on. Now looking for the better payout rates. So here in this zone we see a good correction, so we should open a short position here. Select the workspace. Yeah, as I said, let's open it. We understand that there is a downward dynamics. The ADX is in the zone below 30, 28 to be exact. And what that tells us that here is the more of a downtrend. The price minimum has been updated. The price did a pullback. Okay, we have a correction to the upside. Also updating local high. After this, the price should continue going down. Here is the resistance zone. That's why we opened the short position, guys. As you can see, the breakdown has already happened. Here is the inception of a new candle. No, sorry, I don't know what's happening. There are several seconds left, and 3, 2, 1. Easy. We are in a profit. We have a nice analysis. Let's put down 155 in the trade amount. So this is all in again. And let's continue our trading. We also trying to pick out the better payout rates. Analyze a little bit. And here let's open a short position, select the workspace. We see that the moving averages are somewhere in the middle here. All of them are facing downwards now. Also the touching of resistance level did happen here, and local high has also been updated. And considering the downtrend, after this pullback, price should keep going down. Based on the dynamics of the price movement, so the same thing that happened earlier, we see the correction and the following down. Same thing, let me show this. Same thing did happen earlier, we see the correction and the following downward movement. So several seconds, not several, like 15 seconds left. I guess we already see a confident breakdown. Okay. So, very easy, we're in the profits, not so hard. Let's change the amount, let's continue, right? So, let's continue, guys, our trading and find another currency pair. Also, be sure to find good payout rates for optimal trade entry. Okay, here, I think we should open a long position, select the workspace. Pay attention to the ADX, the trend is in the middle, there is the crossing of the moving averages from top to down. So here's the support zone has been touched and the local low has been updated. Here's also double bottom pattern has formed, the first touch here and the second one. And after the second touch, rebound did happen. Pretty standard situation. That's why we opened the long position according to the trend. So I'll say early on we see that our trend has been upward one, and after this correction the position should be closed with a profit. So we're seeing the breakout already happening. There's several seconds left. 3, 2, 1, and we're in the profits. Nice. We're in the profits. Great, so let's change the trade amount. Let's continue. Let's select another currency pair. Okay, let us open a long here. Okay, we should open right now, but I think it's okay. The ADX is in this area around 50. That's a huge zone. That's why the reversal should happen. We see the crossing, touching of the upper zone. Let me select it right here, and in this zone, right, a double bottom partner we seem to be forming, and after this I think the price should go up again, and basically our position should be in profit. Right, the breakout is already happening. Yes, and there are literally 10 seconds left, guys. And I can say with confidence that our position will be in a profit. Brilliant analysis again. Nice. Despite this low volatility, we're in a profit. Let's change the concept pair and find another trade entry. We're looking for the most profitable payout rate to get as much as we can per trade. So guys, let's see what do we got. Let's open it. We see here is the touch. Theoretically the candle should go lower. Let's wait for its closing and then we'll see. I think these dynamics will go lower. Well, we're not gonna open here. Let's not risk. Let's see what else do we have. What we got here. Open a short position here. Yeah. No. Oh, okay. Here's much better. Let's open a short position here. Let's select the workspace. So, first of all, I want to bring your attention to the ADX around 28. Trend dynamics is in the middle. In addition, this plus moving averages is reversing. The price started going down after this zone, I'm sorry. And here we see the correction. The local high has updated, and after that I think the price should continue going down. That's why we confidently open the short position, because we see the downward dynamics here, then the first good correction, so this and then correction, and after all we had to do was opening a short. Right. Okay, and then again our profit isn't profit, our position isn't profit, I'm sorry. So nice, around 2000. Let's change the amount. Let's put down all the money in the trade amount, refresh it, and carry on analysis, guys. Find another concept pair. Also we try to find the best payout rate as usual. Here we see the double bottom pattern. That's why we should open a short position right away. I think the ascending dynamics should keep going. According to the ADX, the trend dynamics is in the middle, around 25 zone. We see its reversal, also see the double bottom pattern. Here is the first touching of our support zone. Here's the first one, and the second one, of course. We can see the downward dynamics, just little correction. Let me point out. And after this zone, we're likely to see the pullback to the upside. Considering the double bottom pattern, I think the position will be in the profits. Right, we already see good breakout, and there's several seconds left before the closing. Fine. And another one is in profit, guys. We got a $2,600. So let's open here positions. Let's open the long, low volatility. So let's look at the ADX first. Trend dynamics is in the middle. Here's the touching of support zone did happen. You see the double bottom pattern, the price started its correction to the upside, and according to the dynamics, the local high is in the higher level, and that's why we opened our long, and that's why we opened the long, right? And I guess this is the correct trades. And let's wait a few seconds left. And we are in the profits, guys. 4,000. So let's continue our trading, guys. We need to find a better payout rates, right? So let's find it. Let's see what do we got here. Okay, let's open short positions here. Theoretically, the price should go down. The principle of the trade entry is a little bit different here. The ADX starts facing upwards. If we look at the moving averages, it tells us that the downtrend is gonna enhance. Our support zone is here. And the price should go toward this level. The movement has low volatility, that's why we don't see huge corrections. That's why in this case we should open short. Also, the update of local high did happen, and I think the short position here is the only option. So let's see. Yeah, and yeah, let's see. As you can see, breakdown is happening and local low seems to be forming, and all our positions are in profits, guys. Nice, and this is what we got to do. So nice trading, great outcome, just like 20 minutes and we're in the profits. We got so much money, so this is one of the most important rules in trading, guys. Not gamble, not risk, and be careful, right? So practice it, and big experience is a key in your trading. So put down in your head, and let's move to the withdrawal, right? We have to learn. Let's withdraw 7,800, my address, and continue button. Our transaction is processing, guys. I'll attach the screenshot at the end of the video. So thank you for watching. Thank you very much. Don't forget about it. YouTube, Telegram, likes, comments, and subscriptions, guys. You will find all the precious information in my Telegram channel. I'm waiting you there. Don't forget about likes. I have a signal group. We make very huge profit. Text me in the comments your opinion about the signals, about the positions, and the strategy. So thank you, have a good market, and bye bye.
So guys, don't forget to watch this video till the end. Don't forget about the YouTube, Telegram, likes, comments, I appreciate that, and of course subscriptions. After you subscribe to my Telegram channel and text me, you will get into $300 draw. So I want to help you. I want to help you to start, and 3 lucky subscriber will get $100 on their balances from me, like a gift. So guys, let's get started so you can get it too.